Hi guys, welcome. Today I show you how to crochet mini pumpkins. You will see it's very easy and very fast. So for the supplies I used a hook 7mm, then I used Parfait Chunky yarn from Premier Yarn. You have the link in the description. And I used some classic acrylic yarn, for the stem. I chose green, you can choose brown as well. So you will start by making a magic ring, and in the magic ring you will make 6 single crochet. Also, as you can see, I don't wait until the 6 single crochet to close the magic ring. I start closing the ring little by little. So I make 1 single crochet, I close a little bit, another single crochet, I close a little bit more, because if you wait until the last single crochet, you will see your yarn will break because it's too hard, to pull on it. So by doing that, by closing a little bit by a little bit, you will avoid your yarn breaking. So once you are done with your 6 single crochet, I made 4 increases. So 1 increase is 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So this is my first increase right here. And you do 4 increases total. So once you are done with 4 increases, I cut the yarn and you can make an invisible finish. An invisible finish is to create like a fake stitch, so you make the finish look more discreet. I show you in the video how to do. So now we will create the stem of the pumpkin. So I took some thin acrylic yarn right here. Then you double the thread. You don't have to do all of that if your thread is thicker, but because the thread was thin, I had to double it, and then I doubled it again. Then I use a darning needle. Voila. And I pass the darning needle through the pumpkin in the center of the pumpkin, and then I make a knot, like by passing the thread in the loop right here. Then you can make another knot to make sure that it stays in place. Voila. And you can cut it to make it look like a stem. Voila. So that's a very easy way to make a crochet pumpkin. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe, and I see you very soon. Bye bye.